Here I have iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can change volume buttons function and camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Actually you don't need to do this to change this feature, but I'm just gonna show you that normally with volume buttons you can only take photos. So you just press them and you can only use them to use it as shutter. But you can also set other action to volume buttons. You can go to settings, you have to, then go to camera section and enable use volume up for burst shot. So you can use volume up like this to take a burst shots. So yeah, burst photos 7. Okay, and here you can review these burst photos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.